Thank you for your interest in BIMSR International and Beam. BIMSR International is the enterprise software maker of Beam, and it has been developing Beam since 1998. New York-based, BIMSR International is your trusted digital transformation partner. Beam is an enterprise asset, maintenance, energy and facilities management software product. Beam is the best friend of maintenance and operations professionals. Beam means digital transformation of maintenance management in this digital age. Beam is reliable, flexible, ready to scale up, ready to scale down, easy to use, and it has world-class corporate customers worldwide. Currently there are 15 million assets being managed on Beam globally. In this introductory video, I would like to show how you can benefit from Beam to manage your fleet as your assets and fleet maintenance management operations. Fleet may have cars, trucks, trailers and many other vehicles at your organization. In this scenario, Milestone Company is getting ready to manage its trucks, trailers, cranes, forklifts as its assets. In addition, Milestone is to manage truck parts, gears and other components as spare parts. Now, let me show you how Beam helps world-class companies manage fleet assets and fleet maintenance management operations in a digital environment with no need of any paper. Here we go. When you log in Beam, you see a nicely organized executive dashboard for managers. This dashboard has key performance indicators of your assets and maintenance management operations. Dashboard is flexible to configure based on your management performance indicators. Dashboard has pie charts, bar charts, tables and other visual elements to make it easy for managers to be aware of key performance indicators. When you click Main menu on top left, you can see available modules of Beam for you to manage maintenance and asset management operations of your fleet. Because Beam has a modular structure, you see modules that you subscribe for. Let's click Assets option. This shows the list of assets you have. In this scenario, you are seeing vehicles Milestone Company has in its fleet. Asset list consists of information of every single vehicle Milestone Company has. In addition, when you click Asset Tree button on top, you can see the asset structure of Milestone Company. Asset structure at any organization is typically designed as location, operation center, cost center and department. Please note that there is no limit when designing your asset tree. You can put infinite number of asset tree layers. Furthermore, you can link assets to each other as main asset and sub-asset. In this case, when I click Asset Truck Number 1, Beam shows me Truck Number 1 is linked to Heavy Duty Crane Number 1. When you click View button, to see details of any assets, you can see description of truck, person in charge of truck, manuals, contracts, insurance, taxation information along with reminders and other details of this particular truck in Milestone Company's fleet. Overall, Asset module of Beam is critical for Milestone Company to manage its vehicles that it has in its fleet as its assets. Now, let's talk about Personnel module of Beam and its benefits briefly. Personnel module is also known as Skill Management module. Because in this module, you can manage your maintenance management team members, their information, their availability, their skills and many other details. Again, from the main menu when you click Personnel, you have a list of selections on your screen. I am clicking Resources option to see the list of team members of Maintenance Department at Milestone Company. If you click Work Orders option from Maintenance module, you can see the list of work orders of Milestone Company. If one would like to request maintenance, there are two ways. First one is called Fast Work Request. This fast option makes it easy for requester to ask for maintenance with the information of asset code, work type, maintenance code and description. One can also attach a picture or supportive document when requesting maintenance. Each maintenance request goes to the pool for maintenance manager to assign to a team member to perform maintenance tasks. When assigning maintenance tasks and to close a maintenance request, maintenance manager goes to maintenance module first, and then clicks Work Orders section to see the list of work orders. After clicking an open request, Maintenance Manager of Milestone Company assigns the task to an available maintenance crew member, enters date of failure, time of failure, informed date, informed time, planned start date and planned end date of this task. In addition, Maintenance Manager selects spare parts needed for this maintenance operations. If any outside service is needed, that is entered in the Services section. Once this request is saved, it is officially assigned to a team member at Milestone Company. When closing the ticket, same screen is used to enter final labor, spare part and outside services costs and time information for later view and reporting. I must remind you that BEAM brings three things together to help you run maintenance operations. They are men, machine, and material. There is a work order calendar available in BEAM. This calendar shows what maintenance tasks are scheduled at Milestone Company. You can see it day by day on this active calendar and plan ahead for future maintenance requests. Finally, when it is time to close the maintenance request after performing maintenance task, Christopher enters the final information about this specific maintenance request. Especially exact delivery date, time spent, labor costs, and any outside service costs are entered into BEAM to help BEAM calculate final costs and prepare reports in the background. BEAM has four main maintenance functions available for your organization. They are as follows: breakdown maintenance, periodic maintenance, preventive maintenance, and predictive maintenance management operations. To schedule a preventive maintenance plan, you can go to Maintenance module and then click Maintenance Plans to start working on Preventive Maintenance Plan. First, let's work on preventive definitions. This section helps you schedule the criteria for preventive maintenance planning. Criteria may consist of time or counter or combination of both. Time may be day, week, or month. Counter may be the number of finished products, worked hours worked, and any other indicators for BEAM to help you take action for preventive maintenance operation at a scheduled time. You need to choose the asset as well as needed spare parts for this maintenance scheduling. When this scheduling is done, you can go back to work calendar and see that preventive maintenance scheduling is located in the calendar. Now you are done with preventive maintenance scheduling. One of the popular subjects in fleet maintenance management is knowing, tracing, and documenting the location of moving assets as in vehicle. To run this task, you can go to Asset module and click Equipment Transport to transport your vehicle from one location to another location for tracing and reporting. First, choose the vehicle to move and then choose the location you would like to move and then save it for tracking and reporting. Now, let me share some information about spare part module of BEAM. As I mentioned earlier, BEAM brings three things together: man, machine, and material. Material is critical, because you need spare parts to perform any maintenance operation on your fleet. While you are able to see what spare parts are available in your warehouse and other details about each item, you can also enter incoming spare part materials. You can transfer them and dispose them when needed. This activities help you have a live and active spare part inventory on BEAM for any maintenance operation scheduling. Now, I would like to present you ready-made reports of BEAM. In addition to Executive Dashboard, BEAM has more than 10,000 ready-made reports available for you. Each module of BEAM has a report section where you can generate reports as you wish to have. Each report is ready to be exported to different systems such as Excel, Paint, and many more other systems. Moreover, you can schedule periodic asset and maintenance operations reports to be delivered to your email box automatically. It is easy to schedule and very helpful for colleagues and management teams to have. Since BEAM has been in the marketplace since 1998, Bimser International has invested a lot in BEAM. One of the important functions of BEAM is native mobile application. Native mobile application is ready for Android and iOS operating systems. On mobile application, you can request maintenance with a taken picture as a team member. You can receive tasks and follow maintenance steps as a maintenance operator via mobile application of BEAM. Finally,